Welcome to the Genie Voice Command introductory video for Maya. What is Genie Voice Command? Genie Voice Command is a voice recognition program that allows you to trigger commands, open windows and options using your voice. This means no more having to click on a bunch of menus or look down at your keyboard to press awkward hotkey combinations. Yes, you can still use all your normal hotkeys you're used to, but there is a limit to how many hotkeys you can memorize. Genie Voice Command for Maya recognizes over 5,300 voice commands. You probably already know hundreds of voice commands because you know what things are called in Maya. Here, let me do a quick demonstration just to show how fast you can work in Maya using Genie Voice Command. Create polygon cube, bevel, attribute editor, channel box, freeze transformation, delete history, face, hide grid, extrude, two edge, bevel, object, attribute editor, edge, select, two edge loop, soften edge, vertex, expand, convert to contained edges, soften edge, vertex, expand, convert to contained edges, soften edge, face, X-ray, X-ray, create Lambert, object, full screen, reset, show grid, wireframe unshaded, wireframe unshaded, outliner, close outliner, front, left, right, back, bottom, top, reset, render view, hypershade, close hypershade, script editor, clear script editor history, close script editor, plugin manager, preferences, as you can see, you can work very fast in Maya using Genie Voice Command. I find that it cuts my time in half. I've made this cube about 100 times, and I've timed myself making it with Genie Voice Command and then doing it the old way, or the old-fashioned way to me, which is using all the menus and using my regular hotkeys. And I find it takes me twice as long to do it the old way versus using Genie Voice Command. Genie Voice Command literally cuts my work time in half, and it keeps me in the flow of what I'm doing and not stopping the creative process to click on a bunch of menus. I know what I want to do, and I can get it done very quickly. And as you heard, these are just all the commands that you pretty much hear or you see in the menus when you click on the menus. To go into vertex mode, I'm just simply, instead of right mouse clicking and going into vertex, I just say vertex. When I want to go into edge mode, I just say edge. When I want to go into face mode, I just say face. And when I want the object to be in object mode, I just say object. And you can go into UV mode just by saying UV. So you can work extremely fast using Genie Voice Command and stay in the flow instead of having to stop and go to delete, delete an edge. You can just say delete edge. So, and that's the same as coming in here and doing delete edge vertex. You can just say delete edge. You can say delete edge vertex if you really want to, but you just say delete edge. Normally whatever's in here, whatever it's labeled in the menu, is what it is, the voice command. So extrude is just extrude. You know, you can say camphor, you can say detach, you can say, extrude, you can say bridge. I mean, you can say all of these. There are some exceptions, like there is extrude in the surface, for NURBS and stuff, to extrude in there. So there are exceptions to everything, but most of the time, 99% of the time, it's going to be whatever it's labeled in the menu. And if there's an option, then it's bevel option. So if you want to open up the options, you just say bevel options. Genie Voice Command comes with a search command. And so if I wanted to find all the extrude commands, so if I go extrude, here are the extrude commands. See this extrude, I tried to keep the ones that are the single words to the ones that are most often used. Since most people do polygon modeling, extrude is for polygons. But if you're doing surface modeling, or NURBS modeling, it's surface extrude. And so that's how you can find out those exceptions in the different commands. Lots of times it's just the name of the menu and the command. So anyway, so that's how you can work very, very fast in Genie Voice Command using your voice. So thank you for watching this introductory. I hope you've found this very enjoyable and are excited to try it out. You can go to my genievoicecommand.com to download the trial version, and you can try it out for yourself. And so hopefully you'll like it, and hopefully it will really help speed up your workflow. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.